In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Work Management for content planning. If you create blogs, videos, social posts, or other marketing content, Jira Work Management can help you keep everything organized in one place. It gives you a clear system for planning ideas, assigning work, tracking deadlines, and monitoring progress from the first concept all the way to publication. To get started, log into Jira and open the Spaces area. From there, click Create Space and choose Work Management. This creates a workspace specifically designed for planning and tracking tasks. Give your space a clear name, such as Content Calendar, so it's easy to recognize later. Then click Create. This space will become your central hub for managing your content pipeline. Once your space is ready, begin creating content tasks. Open the content planning space at Fonbis and click Create. Add a task name that clearly describes the piece of content, like a blog post topic or campaign asset. In the description field, include any important details, such as goals, keywords, format, or notes for the team. Set a due date so everyone understands the timeline, then click Create. Clear task names and complete descriptions make collaboration much smoother. Next, set up your workflow stages. Open the space settings and go to Workflows. Here, create the stages that match your content process, such as ideas, drafting, review, editing, and published. Once those stages are added, save your workflow. This helps your team see exactly where each piece of content stands and creates a consistent process from start to finish. After that, open the board view. This is one of the most useful ways to manage content visually. You can move tasks from one column to another as they progress through the workflow. It's a simple drag and drop system that makes status updates fast and easy. You can also assign tasks to team members directly and quickly track who is responsible for each item. Then switch to the calendar view. This is especially helpful for deadline planning and publication scheduling. Add due dates to your content tasks, plan publishing dates, and review upcoming deadlines in a date-based layout. This makes it easier to balance your content schedule and avoid last-minute bottlenecks. To assign team members, open any content task and use the assignee field. Choose the appropriate person, whether that's a writer, editor, or designer. You can also add comments to share updates, feedback, or next steps, which keeps communication connected to the task itself. Finally, track progress regularly using the board or list view. Monitor tasks that are moving forward, check for overdue content, review completed posts, and update each task as it gets closer to publishing. By keeping everything current, Jira Work Management becomes a reliable content planning system that helps your team stay aligned and on schedule.